Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss exit exam questions of refresher advanced firefighting. If you like our content, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Question 1. If a portable carbon dioxide fire extinguisher has been partially discharged, it should be immediately Option A. Tagged and restored it properly in its rack. Option B. Weigh the charge loss recorded before being returned to its rack. Option C. Given to the chief engineer for recharging. Option D. Tagged empty and stored separately from charged extinguishers. Answer will be D. Tagged empty and stored separately from charged extinguishers. Question 2. If heavy smoke is coming from the paint locker, the first firefighting response should be to Option A. Release the CO2 flooding system. Option B. Open the door to evaluate the extent of the fire. Option C. Enter and use portable extinguisher. Option D. Secure the ventilation. Answer will be D. Secure the ventilation. Question 3. The best practice to extinguish an electrical fire is using Option A. CO2, Option B. Foam, Option C. DCP and Option D. Water. Answer will be A. CO2. Question number 4. Why CO2 fire extinguisher is considered as the best fire extinguisher? Option A. It is very cheap. Option B. It is readily available. Option C. It can be used in all classes of fire. And option D. None of the above. So answer will be C. It can be used in all classes of fire. Question number 5. The maximum weight of a portable fire extinguisher should be Option A. 23 kg, Option B. 15 kg, Option C. 25 kg and Option D. 20 kg. Answer is A. 23 kg. Question number 6. A 1200 liters Scava bottle duration is Option A. 25 minutes, Option B. 20 minutes, Option C. 30 minutes and Option D. 45 minutes. So answer is C. 30 minutes. Question number 7. What is the best firefighting medium on a gas tanker? Option A. Water, Option B. Foam, C. DCP and D. CO2. Correct answer is C. DCP. Question number 8. The main advantage of a steady stream of water on a class A fire is that it Option A. Removes the oxygen, B. Washes the fire away, C. Protects the firefighting crew and D. Breaks up and cools the fire. Answer will be D. Breaks up and cools the fire. Question number 9. The capacity of a fire pump on a cargo ship should not be more than 180 meter cube per hour. Option A. True. Option B. False. Answer will be A. True. Question number 10. As per regulations, the minimum length of lifeline should be Option A. 30 meters, Option B. 20 meters, Option C. 15 meters and Option D. None of the above. So answer is A. 30 meters. Question 11. In a container ship, if the cargo hold is designed to carry dangerous goods, it should have dash firefighting system. Option A. Sprinkler system. Option B. Sprinkler and CO2 system. Option C. CO2 and Option D. None of the above. So correct answer is B. Sprinkler and CO2 system. Question 12. If you are on watch at night in port and discover a fire in number 1 hatch, what should be your first action? Option A. Inform the chief mate and master. Option B. Sound the general alarm. Option C. Release carbon dioxide into the hatch and Option D. Lead a fire hose to the hatch. Answer will be B. Sound the general alarm. Question number 13. Firefighting with foam is only effective when the foam, option A, penetrates to the bottom of the fire, option B, mixes with the burning fuel oil, option C, is kept saturated with low velocity water fog, and option D, completely covers the top of the burning liquid. Answer will be D. Question 14. Hydrostatic test of CO2 lines is carried out every 10 years. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer will be A, true. Question 15. Fire in an engine compartment is best extinguished with carbon dioxide gas and by option A, completely closing the compartment, option B, closing the compartment except for the ventilators, option C, leaving the compartment open to the air, and option D, increasing the air flow to the compartment by blowers. Answer will be A, completely closing the compartment. Question 16. Which type of fire extinguisher is hard to recharge on board? Option A, DCP, option B, foam, option C, CO2, and option D, water type. Answer will be C, CO2. Question number 17. Before initiating the engine room fixed CO2 system to extinguish a major uncontrolled fire, what will be the first step towards it? Option A, stop the main engine. Option B, evacuate all engine room personnel. Option C, start the emergency diesel generator. And option D, turn off electrical power. So answer will be B, evacuate all engine room personnel. Question 18. Which toxic gas is a product of incomplete combustion and is often present when a fire burns in a closed compartment? Option A, hydrogen sulfide, option B, carbon monoxide, option C, carbon dioxide, and option D, nitric oxide. Answer will be B, carbon monoxide. Question 19. A hand portable CO2 fire extinguisher is effective in burning oil only. Option A, if applied promptly. Option B, if applied in connection with foam. Option C, to prevent rekindling. Option D, if attempt to extinguish the fire with low velocity fog has failed. Answer will be A, if applied promptly. Question 20. In cargo ships, the diameter of fire main need to be sufficient for the discharge of dash with two pumps simultaneously delivering through nozzles. Option A, 135 meter cube per hour. Option B, 145 meter cube per hour. Option C, 14 meter cube per hour. And option D, 140 meter cube per hour. Answer will be D, 140 meter cube per hour. Question 21. Foam extinguishers are checked by authorized shore persons every 5 years. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer will be B, false. Question 22. Spontaneous combustion is caused by option A, an outside heat source heating a substance until it ignites. Option B, conduction of heat through a wall of material to the substance. Option C, chemical action within a substance. Option D, all of the above. So answer. Question 23. The maximum distance between center to center of heat detectors is 10 meter. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer is B, false. Question 24. Which of the following is specifically dedicated to receive shore supplied water? Option A, isolating bulb. Option B, international shore connection. Option C, fire main line. And option D, none of the above. Answer will be B, international shore connection. Question 25. The longer an oil fire is permitted to burn, the dash. Option A, harder is to extinguish. Option B, easier is to extinguish. Option C, less chance there is of reignition. And D, easier it is to control. Answer will be A, harder is to extinguish. Question 26. Which of the following is not required to be part of vessel's fire control plan? Option A, ventilation fan location. Option B, ventilation fan capacity. Option C, ventilation fan control. And option D, ventilation dampers. Answer will be B, ventilation fan capacity. Question 27. A sprinkler main line is connected to the main seawater line. Option A, true. Option B, false. Answer will be A, true. Question 28. A specific document which identifies a chemical and lists its physical properties, health hazards, required controls, firefighting procedures, cleanup methods, waste disposal, and the safe handling is commonly called as option A, hazardous chemical information sheet, B, material safety data sheet, option C, hazardous chemical loading document, option D, physical or chemical characteristics document. Answer will be B, material safety data sheet. Question 29. What is the primary hazard other than fire damage associated with a Class C fire? Option A, flashover. Option B, possibility of reflash. Option C, electrocution or shock. And option D, explosion. Answer will be C, electrocution or shock. Question 30. Why should foam be banked off a bulkhead when extinguishing an oil fire? Option A, to coat the surrounding bulkheads with foam in case the fire spreads. Option B, to cool the bulkhead closest to the fire. Option C, to prevent any oil on the bulkheads from igniting. And option D, to prevent agitation of the oil and spreading the fire. Answer will be D, to prevent agitation of the oil and spreading the fire. Thank you friends for watching this video.